The design of the interior experience of Bleu was quite challenging. We had to find the right balance between the DNA of Bleu, which is the French GT car heritage and aerospace, and also the contemporary experience offered by modern technologies for the pleasure of driving and the leisure of autonomous cars.
It all starts with a natural language of sketching in 3D to explore ideas and express creativity with an ultimate gesture-based design paradigm. Working in an unified modeling environment made it easy and efficient to start sculpting the ideas with powerful virtual clay modeling. New generative modeling approach were key to unleash our creativity to explore and generate multiple shape patterns.
The challenge of our design was to find a fusion of performance and comfort. A feeling of power, but also a place where you could relax. In the end, our choice of materials and colors was driven by exactly this idea. A big part of this ideation process is actually playing around, finding that certain something that really hits the essence of our design.
The challenge was to bring multiple light sources, direct and indirect ones, into a balanced lighting that is matching perfectly with large HMI displays and the initial material concept.
In our daily life, we are surrounded by displays. We find them everywhere in all life situations. We had that in mind for our human-machine interface concept. Directly integrating the first HMI sketches into our 3D interior got us a realistic impression of our complete experience.
The point at which our vision becomes visible as a whole, with all its complexity, materials, lighting, and rendered in high quality. That is a very exciting, if not one of the most exciting moments. This is when finally everything comes together. Shape design, materials, interior lighting and HMI. Visualizing our vision in this quality makes design and especially communication of design so much easier. Fortunately, with CATIA, we have the right tools in place to present our complete ideas with all point of discussions, variations, everything together in one single review session, on desktop, in front of a presentation screen, or even in VR.
The 3D Experience platform allowed us to collaborate on live data at any time. Thanks to this, we were able to review the entire design in one single experience.